Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on Note 4, Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So the screen shows only half here, and this is the Note 4. So what I'm going to do, I will take the back cover and battery, S Pen, and if there is any screw or any SIM card or memory card, take it off also. And I will start unscrewing the phone. There are like mini screws, all they are the same. So we start from here and we keep going until we take all the screws off. Okay, I take all the screws off. So what I'm gonna do now, I will take the screen, separate the back cover from the screen, the back frame. So what I'm gonna use, I will use the spudger, the guitar pick. This one. So what I'm gonna do, I will just come here to this side. I will push the screen from the back. At the same time, I will insert this one between the frame and the glass. At the same time, I'm pushing from here till I make a small gap there. Okay, this was easy because the screen already replaced before. So just slide the guitar pick between the frame and the glass. If you are opening the phone for another reason beside the screen replacement, make sure don't use this one and pry this way. You may mess up the screen. So what you need to do, use it other way and always push outside. I forget one screw here. If you see that the back frame won't go off, just make sure that you didn't forget any screw. I forget this one. And voila, it's open. So what I'm gonna do, I will disconnect all the cables on the motherboard. We start from this here. I'm gonna use these tweezers. Gently insert the tweezers underneath here and lift up. Gently, don't force. And we have this cable right here. Always use your nails or use the plastic spudgers. Speaker. And for the Samsung, always they have like one screw is holding the motherboard. In this case, we have this one here. It's a black screw. Lift up the motherboard and disconnect this cable from here, and here we go. We release the motherboard. The screen has the cables right here. If you see them, it's kind of hard to connect the motherboard to back, but we have no choice. This phone, Samsung, like, they mess it up. The way how they build this phone, it's not like good for it's not easy for repair. So because this screen is already bad, I'm just gonna like separate it from the frame. If the screen is still good, you may use the heat gun and heat it very well, and after that you can separate it. But since it's already broken, I'm just gonna like use the IC Samo, and I will slide it between the glass and the frame, the chassis. One more important thing, make sure don't mess up the the soft case. You have the back menu here, the back key here and the menu key here. So when you are like prying up, make sure don't cut these cables. You see this one is not easy to be separated from the screen. So what you need to do, use the heat and separate it. This one it separates quickly because it's already separated before. And the same thing from here. These soft keys are connected to the charging port. So if you cut off this cable from here or from here, you may need to replace the charging port also. So you are giving yourself more extra work. If the screen is good, I'm not gonna handle it like this, but since it's already bad, I'm just taking it off. Here you go. I separate the screen from the glass, from the chassis. So I'm just gonna put this one aside. I'm gonna put a new black screen. The customer already knows about it, and because we don't have he doesn't have any other choice, so we're putting different color, and she's fine. So before I put this screen here, I need to prepare this one. I need to make sure there's no pieces of glass on this place here, and I need to make sure everything is like flat and straight. So the second step, I will put the adhesive right here and right here and right here. So once I put the screen back, it will stick with no problem. So let me put the adhesive. This is the adhesive. It's good quality, by the way. It's sticky. I'm just gonna put one strip from the top to the bottom. And I will do the same thing for the other ones, the other sides, I mean. Make sure this adhesive sticks here very well. There you go. I put the adhesive like this. and I will cut any, like, I will make sure to open all the holes from where the cables will be exposed. So the cables, the screen cables, they are coming from here. So before I glue the screen back here, I will make sure it's working. Because once you glue it to the frame, it will be kind of hard for you to take it off. Actually, this method is not gonna work, so you have to put it in the frame. No way. So only option I have to just glue it back. Make sure the screen is working before, and make sure you have good screen. Don't forget this mesh here.